Hey, what's up guys, this is Sandeep Sky, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Linux Mint on Virtualbox. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first of all, open your web browser and search for Linux Mint. Now go to its official website and download the Cinnamon edition of Linux Mint. Now after it is downloaded, open another tab and search for Virtualbox and download the latest version of Virtualbox for your respective operating system. Now after downloading and installing Virtualbox, open Virtualbox and create a new virtual machine. Now give a virtual machine a name. I'm going to give it Linux Mint. After that, choose where you want to store your virtual machine, and after that, for ISO image, choose the ISO of Linux Mint which we just downloaded earlier, and make sure to check this skip unintended installation if available. Now for RAM and CPU, I recommend to give at least minimum of 2 GB of RAM and 2 cores of CPU for Linux Mint. Allocate at least 20 GB of space for Linux Mint. After that, click on finish and it will create a virtual machine. After it is created, don't just start yet, click the virtual machine and select settings. Now go to system tab and then processor and make sure to check this option. After that, go to display tab and give the maximum video memory available. After that, go to shared folder section and choose the location where you want to share your files between your host and your virtual machine. Now after that, you can finally start the virtual machine, and after starting it will boot into the live ISO of Linux Mint, and after that you can check around if you want, and after that you can start the Linux Mint installation. Now once you are inside a Linux Mint installation, first you need to choose your language and then your keyboard layout. Make sure to check the option for multimedia codecs, and then you can check the option which says erase disk and install Linux Mint, because this is a virtual machine and your real hard disk won't be affected. After that, choose your time zone and then fill your user details and your password, and after that your Linux Mint installation will begin. And I'm going to fast forward this part because it will take some time. So once Linux Mint installation is completed, click on restart now and it will automatically restart the virtual machine, and it will ask you to remove USB and press enter. You can just press enter. So after that it will automatically reboot, and it will reboot into our just installed Linux Mint. As you can see, we have installed Linux Mint successfully on Virtualbox. Now if you want to enable clipboard sharing and file sharing between host and the virtual machine, you can click on this device at the top and select insert guest additions. Now open your file manager and you will see a new CD mounted here. So just open it and open terminal in this directory. Now you need to make the Virtualbox guest additions.run file executable. So type sudo chmod +x and then the file name. Now run that file by typing sudo space dot slash and then the file name, and it will install the Virtualbox get additions, and you can enable clipboard sharing and file sharing between host and the virtual machine. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.